In this video I'm going to talk about multiplying tens. So that's any two numbers that are exact rounded tens. So the thing that's going to help me keep in mind how to do this is an equation that I hopefully know by now, which is 10 times 10, which equals 100. And if I can keep this in mind, what I'm always going to know is that anytime I multiply two tens, I'm going to get a certain number of hundreds. So that's going to help me know how many zeros to include in my answer and just how many hundreds I'm going to get. So let's try 30 times 40. Now, like I said, I'm multiplying two sets of 10, so I am going to get a certain number of hundreds. To help me here, I can look at the more basic number fact that's sort of hidden in this equation, which is 3 multiplied by 4. And hopefully by now I have it memorized. 3 multiplied by 4 is 12. So that means I'm also going to need the 12 up here in this answer. But unlike here where it's 12 ones, like I said before, it's going to be a number of hundreds. So here it's 12 hundreds. So it's 1,200, or 1,200 as some people might say. Now, some people think that if I just take the number of zeros and put the same number of zeros in the answer, that I'm always going to get the right answer. That rule sometimes works, but it's not correct, and I'll show you why. If I multiply 40 times 50, and I'm going to do 4 times 5 to help me, and get the number 20, then I'm actually going to have a 20 and 2 more zeros because it's 20 hundreds. So I'm going to have 2 zeros in my question, 3 zeros in my answer. So I don't want to just follow that simple rule. I want to actually think about the number of hundreds I'm going to have. But if I keep in mind up here that every time I multiply two tens I get a number of hundreds, then I can just use the basic multiplication facts to help me with any other answer.